Hey everyone, my name's Aaron Limonick. Welcome to Environmental Design and Illustration. I've been a concept artist working in entertainment since 2004, and I've primarily worked in games in studios, but also as a freelancer in film, TV, advertising, doing some illustration and theme park design, and even a little bit in VR. And to me, what that's lent me is a broad perspective on a lot of different types of problem solving, which is, to me, at the core of what we do as concept artists. We are designers that are also making pretty images, so we have to make illustrations that are for functional use. This tutorial is really about a process that I've developed custom for myself to basically use tools for what they're the best at and circumvent things in the process that I particularly don't find fun.